यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। वेलकम टू यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। आई एम संगीता एंड आज जो लोग मेरे साथ हैं शो पे, मतलब बचपन से ही इनको पता था लाइफ में करना क्या है, एंड नाउ दे आर सुपर डुपर सक्सेसफुल एंड इंस्पायरिंग। एंड मैं बात कर रही हूँ अबाउट ऑफ कोर्स दिव्या खोसला कुमार एंड पलक मुच्छाल। हेलो, वेलकम टू द शो।
Hi, so generous you are.
लिसन, बट सीरियसली यू गाइज एट अ यंग एज तुमको पता था लाइफ में करना क्या है। तुम तो सिंगिंग कर रही थी एंड व्हेन यू वर 18 यू न्यू यू वांटेड टू बी अ डायरेक्टर। दैट वाज नॉट इवन एक्टर, इट वाज डायरेक्टर। Am I right?
I just knew that I had to grow more and learn a lot of things in life. I didn't know कि direction करनी है कि क्या, but yes, I did mention it to my friend that I want to make a film one day.
And wow, तो मतलब and तुम मैडम 4 साल की उम्र से
No, I decided to become a playback singer when I was 2.5.
listen, 2.5 is a bit much, पलक। 2.5 को कैसे मालूम है यार? Yeah.
Yeah, because that was the first time I performed on stage.
Wow, 2.5 you were with Kalyan ji Anand ji. That was when?
Yeah, that was when I was 4,
Acha.
but this was before that.
Acha,
so I sang
super.
the song Chal Rahi Sajni Ab Kya Soche, which is sung by Lata ji.
क्या बात है। तो इन्होंने मतलब करियर की शुरुआत की विद लता जी सॉन्ग एंड बोथ ऑफ यू टुगेदर। आप तो मल्टीटास्किंग की हेड हो, इतनी सारी चीजें आप कर रहे हो एंड नाउ अ न्यू सिंगल which both of you are a part of. Please बताओ हमें about this.
So गाने का नाम है, सिंगल का नाम है कभी यादों में.
Yes.
And it's a recreated song. पहला जो वर्जन था वो 2000 में आया था जिसमें मैंने फीचर किया
Exactly.
था. And अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य had sung it and अभी recreate किया and Palak has sung it and Arijit has sung it and Abhijit Vagani has recreated it.
Super.
And it's out now.
एंड सो मेनी मिलियन व्यूज इस गाने को ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है। बट ये पहली बार हो रहा है, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, कि आप एक वीडियो में थी इतने साल पहले, यू आर इन द वीडियो इवन यू नो आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स। आई डोंट थिंक ये किसी और ने किया है।
And looking equally beautiful.
यू डोंट एज, इज इट? क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है सीरियसली? मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है कभी कभी लोगों पे कि यार यू डोंट एज, यू लुक द सेम इतने साल पहले एंड अभी।
I don't know what's the answer to it.
She's being so sweet. But of course, talking about the song, इसकी shooting जो है, I think दार्जिलिंग में हुई है. You are in the video and काफी emotional सा video है. Tell us something about the shoot.
So, you know, Yaria, my first directorial debut, वो मैंने दार्जिलिंग में shoot की थी and I stayed there for like 2 months and I'm quite attached to the Northeast because it gave me my first hit. So, I wanted to go back there and shoot और वहाँ पे गए। अब ये video भी hit हो गया, so I think now Northeast has spoilt me.
So, दार्जिलिंग में ही आप shooting करोगे?
दार्जिलिंग, सिक्किम and the rest of the Northeast, yeah.
You have an eye for locations, you know, even for Yaria, the locations were like so amazing. तो मतलब कितने time पहले ग्राउंड वर्क जो है वो स्टार्ट होता है बिफोर यू स्टार्ट अ
आई
प्रोजेक्ट?
थिंक 3-4 महीने पहले इजीली ये वीडियो वी शॉट। उससे आई थिंक क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस में, यू नो, टू क्रैक द स्टोरी लाइन ओनली टेक्स द मोस्ट टाइम। उसके बाद लोकेशन हंटिंग होती है फिर बाकी काम फास्ट हो जाता है।
Right.
बट आई थिंक लोकेशन हंटिंग एंड द स्क्रिप्ट फाइनलाइजेशन टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम।
ओके, तो पलक को ये गाना कैसे मिला? लाइक हु वाज द वन हु टोल्ड यू कि यार तुम ये गाना जो है गा दो?
I think it was Divya ma'am's decision and she told me कि उन्होंने MS धोनी देखी film and then she heard कौन तुझे and she didn't know who sung it. So she went on to Google to search कि किसने गाया है and then she found out कि it's sung by me. So then she thought,
Yeah. Then
She
I
fits it.
discussed with Abhijit Vagani about her, and he said that I'll call for her voice test. Then we called for her voice test, and we contemplated.
Oh, voice test cannot happen, na?
yeah, like proper rehearsal.
So रात को 12 बजे,
preparation.
like I'm talking to him on the phone and contemplating how she's suiting.
And this is the first time that, you know, Abhijit ji, he told me that, you know, I'm sending you a song. And मैंने ये पुराना वाला version नहीं सुना था. So for me, it was a fresh song. तो he told me कि एक लाइन गा के मोबाइल में भेज दोगी? तो मैंने कहा what? He said कि यार एक लाइन गाकर मोबाइल
पे
भेज दो.
record करके.
Did you actually say that कि मोबाइल में भेज दो? So because for me it was new. फिर मैंने एक्चुअली उन्हें गाकर भेजी एक लाइन एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी दैट यू नो देयर इज दिस सॉन्ग व्हिच दिव्या मैम इज डूइंग एंड शी वांट्स यू टू रिकॉर्ड दिस सॉन्ग एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी। बट मेरे लिए बहुत डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस था इस गाने का बिकॉज यूजुअली आई डोंट बिलीव इन रिहर्सल्स बिकॉज आई बिलीव कि जो नेचुरल अप्रोच होती है, जो फर्स्ट अप्रोच होती है, दैट साउंड्स वेरी वेरी यू नो इनटू द सॉन्ग। उसके बाद अगर बार बार रिहर्स किया जाए तो बहुत
rehearsed sound करता है।
बट दिस टाइम आई एक्चुअली रिहर्स्ड,
Okay.
आई प्रिपेयर्ड बहुत सारे specifications थे. She is very particular.
Okay.
She was so much involved into the process of music making. And yeah, मेरे लिए बहुत difficult I won't say, but बहुत challenging था because ये मेरी range का गाना नहीं था, बहुत low scale का गाना था. And she wanted me to project, to give it a very strong approach, tonal quality के हिसाब से. But yeah, it was very new for me. I'm so happy कि अभी जब लोग गाना सुन रहे हैं तब वो finally ये कह रहे हैं कि this is something new what you've done.
Yeah, it's actually very different
Very
than all the
different.
things that
Yeah.
Palak has done till
Exactly.
now. But Mr. India को आपने गवा दिया इसमें. अरिजीत तो Mr. India है. हमको अरिजीत सिंह कहीं नहीं दिखाई देता
That's
है.
why he's not here.
He's omnipresent.
Maybe he's here, but you can't see him.
लाल रंग to see Arijit Singh. Oh, Arijit, how are you? But how is it? I mean, Arijit Singh is seriously invisible. हमें सिर्फ उनकी आवाज सुनाई देती है. तो अरिजीत के पास ये कैसे गया ये गाना?
So yeah, we told him that this is the song, and then he came to the studio to record 2 songs.
हाँ.
और फिर उन्होंने एक record किया, and then he recorded this.
अच्छा. So अरिजीत से ये नहीं बोला कि 1 मिनट गा के बता दो सेल फोन पे. That didn't happen. But how is it? Did you and अरिजीत साथ में तुम लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड किया था कि कैसा था ये?
हमने I think साथ में more than 50 songs गाए हैं, but साथ में record एक भी
More
गाना
than
नहीं
50
किया
हो गए
है.
already दोनों के
Yeah,
साथ में?
together, exactly.
Wow.
After Aashiqui 2
हाँ.
till now. But हम लोग कभी एक दूसरे से recordings पर नहीं मिले. हम लोगों को release होने के बाद पता चलता है, oh, okay, again together. But it's a very super hit combo, I would say. जब भी मेरा गाना
I
आता
agree.
है अरिजीत भैया के साथ, it gets like a super duper
You call him
hit.
Arijit Bhaiya, that's so cute.
Yeah.
So Arijit Bhaiya liked the song when he heard it कि पलक है मेरे साथ गा रही है.
Yeah, wherever he meets me, he tells me कि ये गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा, ये गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा. And he's much senior to me.
Right.
So उनके साथ जब भी मेरा गाना आता है, it's more of a learning experience for me.
That's so sweet. तो सबसे ज्यादा ट्रबल किसने दिया इन दोनों में से? अरिजीत
think
ने
किसी
या
ने
पलक? It was easy.
Yeah, I think they were both very nice and very easy, and I think it's a good team that's come together, creative people coming together with full honesty and dedication to the work. You know, तभी इतने दिल से किया है काम कि तभी सबके दिलों तक पहुंच रहा है.
That's sweet. But of course, like I said, आप तो multitasking करती हो. Director, you produced Roy, and you've been like music scene में all throughout. What is that one thing that you think that is your priority में number 1 right now?
I think my son.
Yes.
Yeah.
Listen, is it true कि जब you directed your first film, that was just when you
Yeah,
delivered?
I was. He was 1 year old, and I remember
you were
कि मैं
directing.
9 months I was expecting, and that time I was taking auditions. So I was in a studio 9 months. के
pregnant
time
होके
पे
auditions are happening.
ले रही थी actors के in the studio.
Oh my God! So this is how you managed आपकी पहली film, which was like a hit, a musical hit.
Yeah.
But
I think that's why also I could come back to my pre-pregnancy shape and form. So I think
listen,
mothers
I
के
don't
लिए-
even understand this. Pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, I think Divya looks the same. You look the same even after that. तो मतलब क्या
I
मैडम
think
आपका डाइट क्या है? शेयर कर दो. अभी बहुत सारे लोग हमें देख रहे हैं.
I think मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ. You know, when you're a mother, when you're a mom, तो आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि you can't go on a diet because there's so much to be done and looked after. और आप खुद dieting करते रहोगे तो you'll be starving, you know, and energy नहीं होगी. You won't be able to play the multiple roles of your life. So a good healthy diet is very important.
Superb. Now we also know कि पलक जो है तुम्हारा नाम लिम्का बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में है. So this is for something that you do a lot, a good deed. I want you बताओ सबको कि ये क्या है.
So ये है मेरी लाइफ का मिशन एक्चुअली. पिछले 12 साल से मैं मिशन चला रही हूँ. So whenever I do a concert मेरे भाई के साथ, so I
पलाश के
donate
साथ.
पलाश के साथ. So I donate all the money. So far 1,046 kids have been operated through our concerts.
Who had heart ailments.
Heart ailments, correct. So yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So not many people actually do this. तो concerts के जो भी पैसे आते हैं, you try and
100%.
donate it, is
Yeah.
it? That is beautiful. Also, there is one person जो common है दोनों के बीच में, सलमान खान. मतलब सलमान खान जो है is very close to both of you. First, I'll start with Divya. Please बताओ, सलमान खान.
So सलमान के साथ मैंने एक सिंगल किया था, वीडियो किया था, हनी हनी, and that's his only single in history.
In his life. हाँ. And he's also single. Single from a single person. Huh?
Yeah, and since then I've known him, and he's always been very very nice, very very helpful. मेरी दोनों movies जब promote करनी थी, so he let it be on Big Boss, you know, Yaariyan and Sanam Re, and he's always encouraging and very very nice.
You give a lot of credit Salman Khan ko for your career.
I do, always. He is my godfather, my guiding angel, mentor. अगर सलमान से नहीं होती तो शायद मुझे अभी तक एक भी गाना नहीं मिला होता. So he's the reason behind मैं इतने सारे गाने गा पाई हूँ. And apart from my career, मेरी personal life के बारे में अगर कोई भी decision लेना होता है, so I always ask him. And मुझे पता है कि वो अगर कुछ बताते हैं तो that's always the best for me.
Wow, is Salman Khan on your speed dial? I want to ask you this. Now that you're telling me कि personal चीजें हो जो भी है मैं सलमान खान को call. यहाँ पे सब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि सलमान खान दिख जाए, उसका हाथ दिख जाए. यहाँ पे I call him for whatever. Is he on your speed dial?
That's a good question.
He actually is. He's on your speed dial. Which number? Number 1, 2, 3, 4.
Number 1.
Number 1 is Salman
Yeah,
Khan.
and he's so encouraging. अगर मुझे कोई अवार्ड मिला होता है मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ, उनके पास जाती हूँ, सी मुझे अवार्ड मिला, एंड ही टेल्स मी ठीक है हो गया, खुश हो गई, अभी आगे क्या. So he always keeps on pushing, encouraging, and he's even more focused about my career than I am.
That's so
So,
sweet.
yeah, that's
So
really
what's the best advice जो सलमान खान ने तुमको दिया है और तुमने follow किया है?
बहुत सारे advices हैं. But,
Tell me one.
One is be focused.
But he's never told you ये गाना मत गा या वो गाना गा and you sang it.
Always.
Huh?
There was this song called Chicken Song in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and I'm a pure vegetarian, so I had a lot of issues with singing
Even
that
singing
particular
that song.
Yeah, exactly. So then he told me, when you were singing Jumme Ki Raatein, did you actually meant it? So I said, no, I didn't. So I got the message.
कि चुपचाप गाना गा ले, चिकन है गाने में खा नहीं रही है. But you didn't want to sing it because chicken is mentioned.
Yeah.
इतने सारे
Not
मुंबई में
even
chicken
chicken.
देखते हैं हम
It's
यार.
got so many non-veg words like Nalini Hari and पता नहीं क्या क्या. So when Preetam sir knew that I'm a vegetarian, so he called me up and he asked me, no,
तुम
Salman
गाओगी.
sir is saying कि you're singing this song. Do you actually want to sing this? I mean, कुछ होगा तो नहीं ना, problem तो नहीं होगी ना. I said, no, definitely I'll sing this song. So yeah, he always, and he also tells me कि जब मैं नई थी, he was the first person I met with after coming to Mumbai. So there was a straight path with do's and don'ts. So I was very, very protected always.
Listen, how did you meet Salman Khan when you came to Mumbai?
I met him through Rumi Jafri uncle. He was the only person I knew in Mumbai, and I think 7th day जब मैं आई तब उन्होंने कहा कि तुम RK Studios आ जाओ, मुझे तुम्हें किसी से मिलवाना है. And वो किसी सलमान सर थे.
Wow.
And yeah, उसके बाद there was no looking back.
That is amazing. Now when I look at my left, is it true कि जब आप अपना first, you were writing your scripts also जब before the directorial, you went to your husband Bhushan and 4 scripts reject हुए थे. It's not that you got everything platter पे ऐसे कि हाँ ठीक है कर लो.
He was, you know, because he's attached to me, so he had this thing कि if the movies don't work, then how would I take it?
Reaction क्या होगा?
Yes, and it's gonna be a tough thing. It's not easy, you know, managing everything in the budget and controlling the unit. So he had a lot of
Protective.
reluctance and protective, attitude towards me, and he wasn't ready at all. So it took.
वो तो 4 scripts इसीलिए reject हुए थे कि नहीं मत करो.
Me also because maybe story wise he didn't really.
He also
approve
wanted
of them.
something
Better.
best for you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now we do a segment on the show which is called Sangeeta Wants to Know. So बहुत सारी चीजें जो मुझे जाननी है. Okay, we start with you, Divya.
I hope it's.
Don't worry, it's fun. It's fun. You have to tell me stricter कौन है? Your husband Bhushan या आप?
With whom? I think
With the child.
We were both very lenient.
You both are very lenient.
Yeah.
तो कोई मतलब
मुझे
rules,
तो strictness
regulations.
आती ही नहीं है. And even my
She
husband.
doesn't look also
Yeah,
strict.
she's
Yeah,
very
but maybe my husband is more stricter with him because
अच्छा.
हाँ. Because कभी-कभी अगर डांटना होता है तो I tell him कि you know.
तुम डांटो मुझे मत बोलो.
मतलब because with me he's like I don't know how to be strict.
It's too sweet, yeah. Okay, last call that Salman Khan made to both of you. Kab? Palak. When was the
You
last
actually
call?
want me to answer this?
Yeah, I want you to answer this.
I think it was last Friday.
हाँ, because I know I've heard this from a lot of people. सलमान खान जब भी किसी को कॉल करते हैं, it is like wee hours, like weird hours in the morning.
4, 5.
So when was
6,
this call?
2:30.
2:30.
Yeah.
Salman Khan is like रात का राजा से.
You were awake?
I'm always awake, so I keep my phone here, especially in the night.
सलमान खान का call आ जाएगा. Okay, when was the last time you
So
spoke to him?
I don't remember the call, but I recently met him and I showed him the video.
What
So-
was his reaction? Batao,
So he
please.
loved it. He really loved it. He's like, wow, matlab, it's very, very nice.
That's sweet. Okay, Palak, when have you last straightened your hair? तुम्हारी इतने
Straighten?
Yeah, तुम करती हो अपने बाल straight?
No, actually, I did this permanent straightening, which
तुमने
was
किया
again
था?
because of Salman sir.
हैं?
So he got my hair.
Everything in life is because of Salman sir.
Most of the things, yes. Yeah, so this was I think 3 years back.
So you straightened, permanent straightening
but then
करवाया था?
the naturally curly, right? So जैसे ही बड़े हुए वापस से.
Curly हो गए.
Yeah.
Okay, how did your husband Bhushan propose to you? बताओ हमें ये story, हमें जाननी है.
Proposed to me. Oh God.
She's blushing.
No, it's a long story, so I'm sure you don't want to hear.
No, we have the time. Please tell us. बताओ.
So I met him जब मैं shoot कर रही थी अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, and at my director's house, Anil Sharma's house, I met him for the first time and got to know him. And उसके बाद से he started messaging me and I used to reply back. फिर धीरे धीरे as the messaging increased, you know, I was new in Bombay and I was staying alone, so I was also a little reluctant. I didn't know how he is, and
हाँ.
I thought he's like a brat from a rich family, so I started avoiding his messages.
हाँ.
So then I completely, like, he इतना ज़्यादा he used to message
Persistent.
me. हाँ, so I started avoiding it. So then एक मतलब मैंने cut off ही कर दिया, you know कि, and then he started sending me messages like let's go for dinner and drive and all that. I was like, what does this mean? And then I just stopped picking up his calls, his messages, everything. And then he sent his cousin to my house because I was not like available, you know, at all on any of the messages.
हाँ,
the
मतलब
calls,
block कर
phone
दिया
calls,
था
हाँ.
सब पे.
Then his cousin said, what happened? He really likes you and he this thing. So I said, yeah, but you know, you have to understand that I don't know how he is as
Obviously,
a person,
हाँ.
and I can't try. He's messaging me like this, dinner, drive, and I don't. I'm not a girl like that. So, you know, so if something is to this thing, it should be through my parents and through like, because
Wow.
I won't like, so even, I think he must have got a shock of his life that he is such a big person.
Yeah,
Any
and you were not even giving bhav.
हाँ, any girl who this thing must be approaching, that girl must be like all over the moon, and here I was that I was not
Please,
like
पहले
showing
मेरे
any
parents से बात
interest.
करो.
Yeah, so then the moment his cousin left, I got another message from him. What did she say? Did she say yes or no? So that message he has to send to his cousin. By mistake, he sent me. Yeah. So yeah.
So you thought कि चलो अभी.
No, then after that
नहीं.
his mom came to my house, and then there was a lot of persistence, and then
Oh, उसके बाद हुआ. Oh my God, तो मतलब dating के लिए भी the parents had to meet literally.
Yeah.
Wow. And now, how many years has it been?
So it's we're gonna complete 12 years on Monday.
That's fabulous. So what's the best surprise जो आपको मिला है? Romantic surprise. Because it seems like he's a romantic person.
I think once he got a teddy bear for me after 4-5 years of marriage, which was like so huge it couldn't even enter through the door. So
Wow. वो अभी भी है teddy bear?
अभी है, but now it's shifted to my kids' room.
Okay, तो कभी तो teddy bear वो काम आया. Okay, Palak, WhatsApp groups में तुम हो?
नहीं.
नहीं, Palak is
You're not on WhatsApp?
I am on WhatsApp. I'm not on any
Any
WhatsApp
group?
No.
I have to look towards my left. I'm sure you have groups.
Yeah, I have,
What is
I
the
have.
weirdest name जो आपने दिया है WhatsApp group को? He's already laughing.
What Ada is saying in front of me.
What is it? Please
Okay, I
tell
can
me.
just say this, that there's one group in my office, and we 4 girls are there, and we've written it Pretty Woman.
Pretty woman. I like
believe
this.
you're pretty.
Yeah, of course you're pretty. You should believe it also. It's true. So you have 4 लड़कियां. It's called Pretty Women.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा एक भी group नहीं है यार?
नहीं.
Okay, cool. And also I want to know singers का कोई gang होता है कि नहीं है? पलक के कोई singer friends हैं जिसके साथ तुम बहुत close हो?
मेरे पर्सनली सिंगर फ्रेंड्स नहीं हैं. कोई भी नहीं एक्चुअली. बट बहुत सारे सिंगर भाई है.
हाँ.
जिन्हें मैं राखी बांधती हूँ.
तुम सबको भाई बना देती हो यार.
Almost all of them actually. So there's this Jubin, Arijit Bhaiya.
जुबिन को भी भाई.
Yeah.
Arjit Bhaiya.
And Amit Mishra. And so many of them actually.
All of them are brothers. Is Palak single? तो when are you going to mingle? Palak, सबको तुम भाई बना रही हो यार. Divya, I think you should find somebody for
That's
Palak.
what I told her. No, I told her already that I was married by the time I was your age.
Yeah, but like she said, it went through her parents, right? So I also come from a similar
Background.
school of thought
Yeah.
that it has to go through my parents. I'm anyways a Marwari, so I'm very clear about this arranged marriage concept.
So Palak Muchal को अगर approach करना है तो parents के through and it
Yeah.
has to be arranged marriage.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
Okay. What is one thing?
आपने already इतना
I have to ask you. I have to ask
Okay.
you. What is one thing जो भूषण नहीं जानते दिव्या के बारे में?
नहीं जानते.
या तो आज बता दो यार मेरा सुपरस्टार में कोई है ऐसी चीज that he
After
does-
12 years of marriage.
Yeah, कुछ तो होगा यार. We are very pretty women
Why
can be
should always keep
secretive.
some surprises?
Oh, you should keep
No, I'm
surprises.
just saying, women should always be mysterious and full of surprises.
अच्छा तो he's going to get surprised.
No.
No, it isn't nothing. कोई भी कुछ भी नहीं है secret. Your bad habit जो छुपाया है 12 साल.
I don't smoke, I don't drink, neither does he. तो कुछ है ही नहीं कि जो.
कुछ है ही नहीं secrets. But that's why they are a rocking couple.
Yes,
I think.
Yeah,
And
कोई secret I can't remember.
and what's next for Divya?
So I'm working on my script
Yay.
as a director, and when it will be complete, I'll start casting and then I'll take it on floors.
Superb. And Palak, Divya, amazing आज chat करके दोनों से बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you. It
But
was so fun chatting with you. I can't. My cheeks are like blushing. You know?
I'm so happy I made you blush. But here, thank you so
Yippee.
much.
Thank you.
And Palak had secretly seen this.
Yeah, I was waiting
And she's
for
like,
this to
is it
happen."
coming to me? Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And
much.
it was a pleasure interviewing you and
Thank you.
a lot of success to both of you.
Thank you so much.
मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया इस एपिसोड में. नेक्स्ट वीक और भी बातें होंगी. यार मेरा सुपरस्टार, obviously keep watching. My name is Sangeeta. Zoom, turn on.